I'm going to show you how to draw this with graphite pencils. If you want to enjoy the full demonstration, plus learn how to paint this with oil and watercolor, you can come to join us on Patreon. Which pencil should we use at the beginning? Could be a B. I'm going to have the water brush come up over here. I can draw that like a little triangle, right? Right here, coming down. Okay. You always start from B. Next, you're going to fill in the value. Start with the B pencil with one direction of line. Okay, now make it a little bit more. Softening. Fold it, and then you're gonna come in over here softly, blend it. Sometimes too much texture may be too active. This area darker. Something you start is good enough at the beginning, and when you start making changes in one place, it needs to be entire drawing moving at the same time. I'm gonna have this a little bit darker. I'm going to use the paper towel to soften a little bit. This is dark enough, but this is not dark enough. So I'm going to make this a little bit closer value. I have the 2B. Now I'm going to make this a little bit darker. Confirm the border. That's good. Using the eraser, I'm gonna expand the shape over here a little bit. I'm gonna have this expand that a little bit bigger. Like that, a little bit soft. Over here, I'm going to develop a little bit more shape. I'm going to just use a 2H. And this is a lighter area. I don't need to have the very dark pencil. A little bit shade here. Here you go. Harder graphite pencil, set the limit that you cannot actually making the area too dark. Okay, now I'm gonna come in over here. Now I'm gonna have a little bit lighter over here, have a little shape. I don't need to remove everything. I just still leave some color over here. And I'm gonna have this a little bit lighter. Here you go. You can see a little light shining on here. Now take a look. There's a little bit light shape. Now I'm going to come in to give a little bit lighter shape. Here you go. Like that. And that's good. And that's good. And up a little bit higher. Now, coming over here, I can, based on, we already have some gray color here. So I can just do a little erasing, we can create some lighter shape, look like the wave. Okay, here you go. Like that, and over here, open up a little bit. See a little water coming up like that. That's all the shape. Okay, here you go. The same thing if you use charcoal, you can do the same thing. And you should try it. I'm gonna have a little bit light shape in the middle over here. Okay, like that, that's good. So you see the details, not just always add, sometimes use subtraction. Okay, that's good. Now take a look. A little bit light shape from here on the edge, a little bit lighter. There you go, there's a little light. And a little light over here too. A little bit light on top of the rock. A little light over here. Okay, and the top over here. I'm gonna keep a little bit lighter shape on top of the rock. Create a little texture. The water over here, I have a little light shape coming through. Okay, now take a look. Sometimes you're a little bit skinnier line, sometimes a little bit thicker line. Okay, open up a little bit more, a little bit softer. That's good. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna have this coming in here. I'm gonna have a little bit soft over here. Soft transition coming in. That's very good, like that. Okay, take a look at over here a little bit later. Going a little bit deeper and deeper, you can make this even more and more realistic. I want to thank my Patreon members for their financial support. If you want to draw and paint with me every week, come to join us on Patreon. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.